Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Today I'm going to be doing a review and close-up look of the Royal Tudor Beasts 2023 Yale Beaufort 2-ounce silver bullion coin. Now, have you seen this coin on the Royal Mint's website, or you've already started investing in the Myths and Legends series, but you're not sure whether you want to invest in this coin just yet? Well, let me give you a little bit of history about this coin and then we can take a close-up look. So the Royal Tudor Beasts collection is a modern investment inspired by royal heritage, celebrating the 10 statues that line the moat at Bedhampton Court Palace. These sculptures were created to commemorate Henry VIII's marriage to Jane Seymour and represent the might of the Tudor dynasty. The collection began with the Lion of England, and now the second coin in the bullion series features the Yale of Beaufort. David Lawrence has captured the mythical Yale on the reverse of the coin with a chainmail surface animation background, providing additional security. The obverse of the coin features the fifth definitive coinage portrait of Her late Majesty the Queen. So let's take a further look at the design of this coin. First of all, I think the thing you're going to notice is the chainmail background. To be honest with you, it shows up even better on camera than it does in person, I think. It's really, really nice. It's really nice. I can see why this would be very hard to create a fraudulent piece. Now, why is that good? Well, when it comes to resale, maybe you take it to a bullion dealer to sell, they're probably going to like this coin because they know it's very hard to fake. So I would imagine it would be a very easy coin to sell. It's got a beautiful design. I love it when they do the mirrored finish in the center, normally on the main piece, and then they create a brushed background effect. If we turn it over, you can see Queen Elizabeth II on the rear. Again, she's not going to be put on any more Myths and Legends series coins from the Royal Mint. I imagine it will be King Charles III next. So, should we take a look at the width of this coin? It's a 2-ounce coin. Nice and chunky. Very nice indeed. Hard to tell when not comparing it to something else. So let's get a 1-ounce silver coin also from the Royal Mint and compare the differences. I have a chunky capsule on this 1-ounce silver coin, so it probably looks a bit thicker than it should, but there is a noticeable difference. The 2-ounce coin is understandably twice as dense and thick as the 1-ounce. A very, very nice coin indeed. If you're looking to add this to your Myths and Legends series, I would recommend to do so purely for the design alone. I love the security feature of the chainmail locks in the background. That, for me, almost sells it on its own. If you're looking to buy it from the Royal Mint, it currently values at around £65, but I'm sure if you did some search, you may be able to find it somewhere else a bit cheaper. Thanks for watching as always, and until next time, I'll see you in the very next episode. Bye-bye.